What if you could uncover the timing of life's most pivotal moments with just a simple method? Welcome to Astral Bard, where we demystify the cosmos to bring clarity and insight into your life. Today, we're exploring solar arc directions, a straightforward yet powerful predictive tool in astrology. If you're ready to discover how this technique can reveal major milestones in your journey, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Solar arc directions operate on an elegant principle. Every planet and point in your natal chart is moved forward at the same rate the sun progresses annually. This creates a directed chart, which is then compared to your natal chart to uncover significant periods of growth, change, and development. The beauty of solar arc directions lies in their simplicity and accuracy, making them a favorite among astrologers for life predictions. Let's look at an example. Imagine your natal Venus is at 10 degrees Scorpio, and 30 years have passed since your birth. With solar arc directions, Venus will have advanced 30 degrees, landing at 10 degrees Sagittarius. If this new Venus placement aspects a planet or angle in your natal chart, you can anticipate a life event involving Venusian themes such as love, beauty, or finances. Similarly, if your solar arc sun conjuncts your natal midheaven, it's a clear signal of a career milestone or public recognition. We've left a link in the video description for calculating your solar arc directions. Check it out after the video to start exploring your own life path. Now, let's break down how solar arc directions affect different areas of life. In relationships, when directed Venus, Juno, or the descendant forms a significant aspect, it often signals the start of a new partnership, deepening commitment, or even a separation. For instance, a solar arc Venus trine your natal Jupiter might bring an expansive, joyful connection, while a square to Saturn could indicate challenges or restrictions. In career and achievements, the midheaven and sun take center stage. If your directed sun aligns with your natal midheaven, expect a period of increased visibility and professional accomplishments. On the other hand, a solar arc Saturn conjunct your midheaven could indicate a period of hard work and responsibility, potentially leading to long-term rewards. In finances, directed Jupiter, Venus, or the part of fortune often play a role. A solar arc Jupiter conjunct your natal Venus might bring financial windfalls, while a square could require careful budgeting and planning. The influence is subtle but impactful, revealing opportunities to grow and stabilize your resources. In health and personal development, the ascendant and Chiron frequently offer insights. A solar arc Chiron aspecting your natal moon could bring emotional healing, while a conjunction to Mars might signify increased energy or the need to address physical health. These moments encourage you to align with your inner and outer well-being. In matters of fate and transformation, solar arc Pluto and the North Node are key players. A conjunction of solar arc Pluto with your natal North Node might mark a turning point that profoundly reshapes your path, while an aspect to Uranus could signal unexpected changes that lead to personal growth. Solar arc directions are also powerful for timing. Unlike transits, which are dynamic and recurring, solar arc aspects are precise, often marking a singular moment of culmination or initiation. This makes them invaluable for identifying major life events, whether it's a marriage, career breakthrough, relocation, or personal epiphany. Now that we've explored the mechanics and applications of solar arc directions, it's time to discover what they reveal in your own chart. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for tools and resources to get started. And while you're there, like, share, and subscribe to Astral Bard for more planetary insights. Solar arc directions prove that simplicity can be powerful. By advancing your natal chart 1 degree per year, this method highlights the timing of transformative events, allowing you to navigate life's ebbs and flows with confidence and clarity. Whether you're seeking guidance in love, career, or personal growth, solar arc directions offer a window into the timing of your destiny. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to Astral Bard and unlock the secrets of your chart, one celestial movement at a time.